So for this guys, first method, you just right click on your taskbar, select the task manager, find here Windows Explorer. You search here, type on the keyboard, right click here, select the restart. Second method, go to your restart, type here command prompt, right click here, select the run as administrator. Type here first command ipconfig space forward slash release and hit enter on your keyboard. Type the second command ipconfig space forward slash flush DNS and hit enter again. Type the ipconfig space forward slash renew and press the enter. Now type the command netsh space int space ip space reset and hit enter. Type here netsh space winsoft space reset and hit enter. Now type the last command sh space forward slash scan now and hit enter on your keyboard. You need to wait here guys for a long time for complete this verification process. As you can see here, verification 0% complete. You wait complete the 100% and after this you close your command prompt. Next go to your browser, press the Ctrl Shift and delete. Ctrl Shift and delete. Two options here, basic and advanced. First select the basic, select the time range like this and select the contents. Select the clear data and once again press the Ctrl Shift and delete. Go to advanced. Same here, select the time range, select the contents, select the clear data. Now open a new tab. Now select the three dots top right side, select the help, select the about Google Chrome. It will update your Chrome automatically. Just wait for complete this updating process. Now select the relaunch option. And the next method, open your file explorer, hold the Windows and press the E. Right click on your C drive, select the properties, go to the general option, disk cleanup and wait here, check the all contents like this, select clean out system files and once again you need to wait, check your contents, select the OK. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Select delete files. Now select the OK and close this. Next method, update your drivers. Go to start menu, type here device manager and select this. You update your all drivers like this. Extend the driver, right click on driver, select the update driver. Two options here, first one search automatically for update driver software and the second one is browse my computer for a driver software. Select the search automatically for update driver software. Hopefully it will update your driver. Wait for complete this. Hopefully it will update your driver. Second way to update the driver, just right click, select update driver, select the browse my computer for driver software. Select the let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select the driver like this, select the next. Next method, you update your Windows 10. Just open the browser, type in the search box, download Windows 10 and hit enter. Select the first one link, download Windows disk image. Select the Update now. Open the download file. Update to the latest version of Windows 10. Select the update now. Select next. Wait here for complete this 100% of your downloading process. And the last method, open the control panel. Select the network and internet. Select the network and sharing center. Select the change adapter settings. Right click on where using network connection. Select the properties. Select the networking. Select internet protocol version 4. Select properties. Select use the following DNS server. Type here 8888 8844 and say yes. Select yes. Select yes. Now close this. So thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.